Roald Dahl, a beloved author, was born in Wales in 1916. His childhood was filled with adventure and tragedy, inspiring his imaginative stories. As a young adult, Dahl joined the Royal Air Force and served in World War II. After the war, he embarked on his writing career, starting with short stories for adults. Dahl's breakthrough came with the publication of his first children's book, James and the Giant Peach. He went on to write several other timeless classics, such as Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Dahl's unique storytelling style captivated both children and adults alike. His books often featured quirky characters and dark humor, keeping readers entertained and enthralled. Dahl's personal life was marked by tragedy, including the loss of his daughter and a serious accident. Despite these hardships, he continued writing, creating stories that would delight generations to come. Dahl's books have been translated into numerous languages and have sold millions of copies worldwide. His influence on children's literature is unmatched, inspiring countless authors and readers alike. Even after his passing in 1990, Dahl's legacy lives on, as his works continue to be celebrated and cherished. His books have been adapted into successful movies, further spreading his magical tales to new audiences. Dahl's passion for storytelling and imagination has left an indelible mark on literary history. His characters, such as Matilda and Willy Wonka, have become iconic figures in popular culture. Dahl's work continues to inspire children to embrace their creativity and follow their dreams. His stories remind us of the power of imagination and the importance of kindness and empathy. Dahl's biography serves as a reminder to never stop dreaming and to always believe in the magic of storytelling. Through his captivating tales, Roald Dahl has brought joy and wonder to millions of readers worldwide. His legacy will forever be cherished, as his stories continue to ignite the imaginations of young and old alike.